My name is Naomi Wells, and I'm a private client tax partner in the Assets London office. I'm going to talk about why domicile matters for tax. At the moment, if you're a non-dom who is living in the UK as a UK tax resident, and you are not deemed domiciled, you have two options for how you are taxed. You can either pay tax in the UK on all your worldwide income and gains, or you can elect to pay tax on the remittance basis. This means that you pay UK tax only on your UK income and gains, and on certain foreign income and gains that you bring to the UK. You may have to pay a charge to access the remittance basis, depending on how long you've been UK resident. As a non-dom who is not deemed domiciled, you are also not subject to UK inheritance tax on your non-UK assets. So why have non-doms been in the news so much recently? In March, the Chancellor, Jeremy Hunt, announced at the budget that the government would be changing how non-doms are taxed, with effect from the 6th of April 2025. In particular, he suggested that domicile would stop being relevant to how individuals are taxed in the UK. Instead, he proposed switching to a residency-based regime, where new arrivals do not have to pay tax on their foreign income and gains for the first 4 years of UK tax residence. There are some transitional rules for existing non-doms moving to the new regime. The Chancellor also proposed that a person's worldwide assets will be within the scope of UK inheritance tax after 10 years of UK residence. Under the Conservative Party proposals, it would be possible to obtain ongoing inheritance tax protection by settling non-UK assets into an offshore trust before 5th of April 2025. So how have the Labour Party responded? The Labour Party broadly accept the government's proposals. However, they believe the opportunity to settle a trust by April 2025 to be a loophole which they would look to close. They would also slightly alter the transitional rules for existing non-doms, some elements of which may be more favourable, and others less so. So what should non-doms do now? We're currently going through a time of uncertainty in terms of which version of the changes will be enacted. Non-doms should therefore seek professional advice on how they could be affected by the changes and their potential planning opportunities. Where possible, plans should be put in place that can be implemented as soon as we get more certainty. Assets would be pleased to help if this is an area that you would like to take further advice on.